Hello and welcome back to Oxford Jules, where I am your host, as well as the narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Ding Dong, Elmo's Hill by Shawn, Currie, illustrated by Bob Berry. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Who's there? Asked Abby as she answered the door. It's Elmo. Today, Elmo and Abby are making new things from stuff people don't want. Elmo has an idea. Let's collect some unwanted stuff and give it to the Tweedlebugs. Then the Tweedlebugs can make something new, says Abby. The Count answers the door. Do you have any unwanted stuff we can give to the Tweedlebugs? Asks Abby. The Count has 8 bouncy balls. He gave one to each of his 4 pet bats. That leaves 4 bouncy balls, says Elmo. Cookie Monster answers the door. Abby says, we're collecting unwanted stuff for the Tweedlebugs. Cookie Monster is crunching on some celery stalks, which are held together by a rubber band. He gives Elmo and Abby the rubber band. Thank you, shouts Elmo. Bert answers the door. Elmo says, hello. He asks if Bert or Ernie has any unwanted stuff. Ernie has a propeller hat, but the propeller fell off. Ernie gives Elmo the propeller. Bert tried collecting dominoes, but collecting bottle caps was more fun. Bert gives the dominoes to Abby. Elmo and Abby arrive at the Tweedlebugs' house and look for the doorbell, but they can't find one. Elmo taps on the door and gives the Tweedlebugs the bouncy balls, rubber band, propeller, and dominoes. What new thing can the Tweedlebugs make? They made a doorbell. The end. And that was Ding Dong, Elmo's Hill by Shawn, Currie, illustrated by Bob Berry. Thank you all a million times over for tuning in, liking, subscribing, sharing, all the above. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you so much. Bye.